So here in this chapter we will go creating frame set of frames in the HTML. So frame in the HTML are used for displaying a web page within another web page. Okay, or we can say that it will divide the display area of the browser into frames. So in order to use the frames in the HTML, we have to use frame iframe element. So here we going creating with the iframe tag, and we have to use its property source. In the source we have to give the name of the file that we wanted to display in this frame. So here I just give the name of the file as table dot html that we have already created, and just close this. So this way we have created a frame, and just refresh, open this file. If we open this file in the browser, we will see the file is open over here. Here is the frame created. This is the border of the frame that we have created, and this was the table file that we have already created in the previous lessons. Now we just create another frame over here, say iframe. Here we give source as another file name, that is my full page .html, and save this, control S and refresh this. Now here we see, okay, here we see another frame is created over here, but the file size that that is contained in this frame is larger than the frame size. So we will get a vertical scroll bar to view the page. Okay, so we can we can add a paragraph to this page. Say this is an example of frame in HTML. Control S, save this. Now see, this is basically written in this web page. This is one frame, this is the second frame. We can use the style property of the frame to specify its height. Say width, I wanted to specify at 50 px, and simultaneously I wanted to give height equal to say 100 px. Save this. Now again refresh. Now see, I have decreased the height of this frame, so I get a vertical scroll bar over here. If I don't want this frame having any border displayed over here, so for that I will use style property, and here I will say border equal to, and here we will specify the border size, so 0 pixels. Save this, refresh it. So you will see this frame become borderless. Okay, just create another frame over here. For that I have to use iframe element, and here I don't want to give source that I want to display over here, but I just give the name to this frame as my frame. Here I close this frame. This way I have created a frame with the name of my frame, but I have not given any source file that would be displayed in this frame. I will save this, refresh it. Now see, here the frame is created over here, but doesn't display any file. Now I just wanted to create a link over here. if I will click on the link over here, and that same file should be open in this frame. So for that I have to use, say, paragraph. In the paragraph I use anchor element to create the link. Here I have to use the hyphen reference, that is, here we have to give the URL of the file that I would like to display over here. So here I use file form.html. Okay, and here we have to use another attribute of the anchor element, that is target. Mean to say that if we click on this link will be opened in target, that is my frame. So if I will click on this link, so link text I will create over here as click here to display. Okay, so this way we will save this, we will refresh over here. Now this way we have created a paragraph. In the paragraph we have created the link. By default the link is comes over here as underlined. Okay, if we don't want underline over here, then we can use property over here, no style text decoration equal to none. Save this, refresh, we will see underline is removed from here. If I will click on this, okay, so this file is open, that is form.html file is open in this frame. Okay, so this way we can use frame in the HTML file. Hope you have learned this. Okay, and that all for this section. Thanks.